What's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video. So a couple of weeks ago I spent the day with my iPhone SE here, and I've already gone over the specs and everything in a different video. So this is going to be like 6 months later. I did a day in the life video with this phone, but let me just start off by saying this before I show any b-roll. Okay, this is a great device for two types of people to me. The number one person I would say should get something like this is someone who's looking to get into iOS for the first time, right? Like, you don't really have any other Apple products and you're looking to just find out, you know, what's the system about. You're curious. You're thinking about adding an iPad or something later on so you can use AirDrop, something that you're not going to spend a whole lot of time on, but you're curious about iOS. This is for, I think that's who this is for. And then the second person would be someone like a senior who's just trying to keep up with their grandkids for iMessage or FaceTime, things like that, just making phone calls, not really a lot on social media. And that is because of the smallish battery on here. There's less than 2,000 milliamp hours on this battery, okay? I went out, did photo and video, tried to download on my Insta360 Go 2, and I had to use the charger about halfway through to put more power because this thing was just eating up battery, okay? So those are the two people I think this is for. Someone like a teenager, hell no. This phone would not last them an entire day unless that's what you want. Like, if you're buying it for them to only have it for a few hours out of the day, then the rest of the time is dead, okay, cool. Is for that. But you know, teenagers are going to be all over social media, taking photos, taking video. Yo, this is not for that, okay? Way too small of a battery life if you think that's what they're going to do on this. But if they know, you know, how that battery is, and they're able to manage this battery, then you'll get a good 4.5 hours of screen on time if you're heavy into social media, uploading videos and things like that. If you're not doing any of that and you're just going through a normal day, just answering phone calls, the occasional video message, you'll get anywhere from 5.5 to 6 hours screen on time on this, real talk. But I just wanted to say that first before I get into the video, because mainly what people want to know, photos and videos, okay? And it's an iPhone. Being an iPhone, you already should know you're gonna get decent photos. They're not gonna be the best photos, but they're gonna be decent photos, and it's gonna be great video. That's what an iPhone is all about. So as I show you guys some of these videos and things that I did that day, which was a lot of slow-mo, you know, showing different things, like here when I was in Robledo, just taking some video, headed out to see one of my friends, and it started to rain, as you can see in the video. Just the video quality itself, I didn't change any of the colors, didn't change anything. This is all straight out of the phone, okay? So when people ask me about this device, because I've had people ask in other videos I've done about this device, and I've had it now for about 6 months. It is not my daily driver, but I will switch from having my 12 Pro Max to using this phone for like a week to 10 days like I'm doing right now. And it's just battery life, man. Everything else about this phone is great except for battery life. I would tell people, if you want to get the inexpensive SE, wait till they move to the 10R or to an 11 body. Otherwise, get a regular iPhone. Just get a used iPhone 11 or 12 or whatever, where you know you're gonna have great battery life. Versus this, it'll get you by, but you always gonna have to have some kind of charger, or you're gonna always wanna be somewhere where you can plug in to charge this thing up. And that's just keeping it 100. I got no reason to lie to you. I'm big on Apple products. I got everything from the Mac all the way down to the AirTags and everything else in between, right? From watches, Series 8, Ultra, everything. So I have no reason to make up stuff. But I'm just saying, for me and my experience with this SE phone, I know better than to sit there and try to take a whole bunch of video. As far as social media on this, I know better. So my secondary phone is what I use for social media. But overall, I would say this is a good device for the right person, but I definitely would not recommend this for someone who's gonna be on their phone the majority of the day, either downloading social media or taking a lot of photos and video. Now, if you're just watching YouTube or you're scrolling through Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or something like that, you'll be fine. But if you're actively trying to upload constantly, yeah, this is gonna leave you wanting, real talk. But all right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.